Hi, my name is Ashley Morar, and today I'm going to be explaining how to incorporate Web 2.0 tools and social media into the classroom. Web 2.0 tools. Web 2.0 tools are applications that assist in the sharing of information along with collaboration. When creating lessons, choosing Web 2.0 tools, educators need to consider the following. The first thing that needs to be considered is how will your students be thinking critically using the Web 2.0 tools. Next, you need to determine if you are going to have your students working cooperatively or on their own. Lastly, the teacher needs to decide if the students are going to be using the Web 2.0 tools within project-based learning or some type of inquiry-based learning. Figure 1 shows what types of Web 2.0 tools and apps that are available for educators to use in the classroom. The benefits of Web 2.0 tools. There's a wide range of benefits using Web 2.0 tools in the classroom. Many of these tools are free for educators to use. These tools allow for content to be differentiated for all learners and their specific needs and learning styles. Activities can be designed to meet the needs of multiple intelligences in the classroom. Students can collaborate with students who are not in the same classroom or even in the same area. Figure 2 shows how Web 2.0 consists of content, participation, videos, links, websites, software, social media, creativity, and network, which are all puzzled together. According to Yuan et al., through Web 2.0 applications, students can interact with other learners, gain from shared experiences, and continuously construct their own knowledge. When students gain their own knowledge of the content, they are gaining a deeper understanding of the content, increasing their critical thinking skills, and gaining self-efficacy. These will lead to student achievement in the classroom. Figure 3 shows the brain and how it is constantly acquiring all types of new knowledge. GoFormative. GoFormative is a platform where teachers can create assignments and assessments. Teachers can provide students instantaneous feedback. Teachers can see students' work in real time and help students as they need. Figure 4 shows a screenshot of my formative dashboard. On the left side, you can see all the assignments that I have assigned to my students. On the right-hand side, it is broken down into my different class periods and then shows how many students in that class finished that assignment. Figure 5 shows a screenshot of student responses in formative. Green represents the answer is correct, red is incorrect, and yellow they received half points. On the left-hand side, you can see the students' total for that assignment. Nearpod. Nearpod is a platform where students can engage in interactive presentations. Within presentations, teachers can have students complete polls, answer open-ended questions, complete matching, take check quizzes, engage in collaborative boards with peers, draw, and complete fill-in-the-blanks. Figure 6 shows an educator using Nearpod. Nearpod not only is great for in the classroom, but it can be used for an adult audience as well. Figure 7 shows my Nearpod dashboard showing all of my presentations. Figure 8 shows a Nearpod code that you will have to give to your students for them to log into the presentation. Presentations can also be completely self-paced, in which students would get a different code for. In Figure 9, it shows a specific presentation. Under the presentation shows the data reports that the teacher can view at the end of the presentation. This is great data to determine who understands the content and who is struggling. Google Apps for Education. Google Apps for Education is free to use and promotes collaboration and communication. Collaborators are able to edit, comment, and make suggestions within files. Teachers can give students quick feedback. According to Cahill, instructors need to scaffold teaching tools by allotting time in class to teach students how to effectively use the tools, have a frequently asked questions or tutorial webpage to refer to, practice using the collaboration tools together as a class, and initially assign a small project utilizing the tools. Figure 10 shows a few of the different apps that are offered by Google. Social media. According to Chen and Breyer, social media are technologies that facilitate social interaction, making possible collaboration and enabling deliberation across stakeholders. These technologies include blogs, wikis, media, sharing tools, networking platforms, and virtual worlds. Figure 11 shows examples of different social media that can be used within the classroom. Twitter. Twitter can be used to keep students to connect to their peers and teachers. Students' achievements can be shared. Students can follow teachers, peers, and other professionals. And teachers can tweet school and district updates as they may need to know. There are various ways that Twitter can be used in the classroom. Some ways include teachers can tweet homework, subscribe to hashtags that are relevant to class, collaborate with other students, network by joining groups through hashtags, and teachers can communicate with students and parents. Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media platform that allows for discovery and saving new information. Educators can gain new ideas from other educators, such as lesson ideas and classroom inspiration ideas. Students can create inspiration boards for content that they may be learning in class. I hope that from this presentation, you gained a new knowledge on Web 2.0 tools and social media in the classroom. Thank you so much for listening.